Google Drawings. You can take a look at Google Drawings and get creative with this simple drawing tool to be able to make a sorting activity. Here is an example. The sorting activity, as you can read on the directions, use the range scale from 1, negative, to 5, very positive, to sort the images in the gray space. Then sort the images you see as representing a negative feeling to a very positive feeling. So if I look here and I'm trying to think that, oh, ice cream being moved here would be dismal. But meh is that indifferent feeling or this kind of there in the middle. I would rank these on the order that I feel. I can do that by click, left click, hold, drag to a location that I feel it best represents. So again, how to use this emoji sort that is in a Google drawing. I would read the directions and I'm dragging the image that I feel matches up with the location.